Wild Keas, a large species of New Zealand parrots, engaged in playful behavior when researchers played recordings of key game calls on loudspeakers. Many birds began to play with their more serious compatriots, while others began playing with objects, or began airborne acrobatics, according to a study published today in Current Biology. Other studies found that chimpanzees and rats may find contagious laughter. The study adds birds, which are distant relatives of humans, to the list. To test the taste of the parrots for fun, the researchers played recordings of chirps made by Keas when they are playing. For control, they also played two other types of non-play calls: key, a tweet from a local robin, and a soft tone. When the Keas heard the laughing beeps, they entered the playback mode, much more than when they heard of the other sounds. The fact that at least some of these birds started spontaneously playing when no other birds had been playing suggests that, similarly to human laughter, it had an emotional effect on the birds they had heard, putting them in a state. Playwright, co-author Raoul Schwing of the Messerli Research Institute in Austria in a statement. The study may not show that playful twitter actually had an emotional effect on birds, ETH Zurich's Elodie Mandelbriefer says The Atlantic. Sometimes alarm calls trigger alarm in animals, and aggressive calls trigger aggression. But to show if the real emotions are triggered in Keas by the laughter, they would have to find some way to measure the emotional state of the callers and both the listeners. Still, the study adds to our understanding of Keas, which are known to be very playful. Unfortunately, they are threatened because of opossums and ermine that feed on their eggs, lead poisoning, habitat loss and poaching.